Sparrow means goraya.
Sparrow means goraya.
Parrot means तोता.
Parrot means तोता.
Pigeon means कबूतर.
Pigeon means कबूतर.
Cock means मुर्गा.
Cock means मुर्गा.
Cuckoo means कोयल.
Cuckoo means कोयल.
मैना means मैना.
मैना means मैना.
Eagle means बाज.
Eagle means बाज.
Hen means मुर्गी.
Hen means मुर्गी.
Crow means कौआ.
Crow means कौआ.
Peacock means मोर.
Peacock means मोर.
Swan means हंस.
Swan means हंस.